How are we going to pop these balloons and get our friends out of these balloons? Coming down, Fred. Whoa! Hey, Dr. Damage, did you fit?
No.
You didn't fit either?
Huh?
Let's try one more time. Come on, let's try. Let's try to get in there. You try first. Chip it, chip it, chip it. Oh, chip it. Oh, there it goes. Me. Get away from me. Get away from me. Stop following me. Hi, everyone. Whoa. What is that, balloons?
Yeah.
Let's put these balloons right here on the floor.
Let me show.
What do you think is in the balloons, Lorenzo? What do you think is in the balloons?
A card.
You think there's a car in the balloons?
Yeah.
What makes you say that?
A card.
Oh, I guess I could kind of see a car. Lorenzo, you think there's cars in the balloon? How many balloons do we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do the colors of them. What color is this?
Blue.
This is blue.
Blue me.
Yep, you're blue too. Yeah, that's right. And hey, Doc, which color is this, Doc?
Silver.
That's yellow. And Doc, what color is this right here?
Pink.
Pink. That's right. How are we going to pop these balloons and get our friends out of these balloons? How are we gonna pop them? Do we have somebody for that?
Yeah.
We do? All right, let's go. Let's take a look at who we got.
Yeah.
Oh, up here we have Big Red. Big Red looks like he's outfitted, so we want to be careful that we don't touch this. But what we're gonna do, Lorenzo, we're gonna let Big Red go down the ramp. We're gonna give him a push. You wanna make Big Red go down? So do you think he's gonna pop it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Oh! He didn't pop the balloon. So I think we gotta use Big Red. You wanna try Mater? Yeah. Let's see. Oh. Nope, our balloons are rolling away. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Coming down. Oh, Big Red. He popped it. Oh, and another one popped. Whoa, coming down. Oh, and another one popped. Right down the ramp. Red. Whoa. Big Red popped it. Red. Whoa! Look at that. Look at all these cars we have. We got RV. We got this one, this one, this one. Whoa! Whoa! Oh! DJ's giving him a push.
Yeah.
Whoa! Whoa, look at Mater. He got covered with the balloon. And who came out of that? It was Sally. Hey, Sally. Who do you think's underneath this one?
Sally.
No, Sally was underneath the other one. There's Big Red. Oh, Francisco. There's Big Red. Oh. Look at Mater. He got hit again with the balloon. Look at that. Mater. Oh, he got hit with the balloon too. And look who was underneath it. Who's that? Who is that?
That's his house.
That's right. Big Red, go into it. Whoa! Who's that?
Hello.
Bill Moore. And look at you, you got water all over your face. I got water all over me too. Oh. Okay, let's see who's under this. Drive into it. Whoa! Who's that? Snot Rod. Whoa! Look at Snot Rod. So far, we've gotten Sally. Fillmore was in there too. And Francisco. Whoa! Whoa! Who's that? Is that Kabuto?
Yeah.
That's Kabuto. Oh, you got more water all over you. And look at this. Tomater. He's got part of the balloon on him. Let's see what's in this balloon here. Oh! We got Flo and Chick and another Chick. There were 3 cars in that one. Look at that. Chick and Flo. And there's another Chick Higgs. Wow. So look at that. We saw all of these cars. We saw Kabuto come out. We saw Sally. We saw Flo. We saw Chick. We saw the other Chick. We saw RV. We saw Lightning McQueen. We saw Cave Lightning McQueen. Danny Suarez. Did see Fillmore. We did see Snot Rod. And we did see Francisco. So Big Red, he really did a good job, don't you think, with this point? Lorenzo, you think Big Red did a good job with the point, popping the balloons? What do you got there? Another balloon?
Yeah.
Wow. What color is that?
Pink.
Say pink.
The pink.
Yeah, that's pink. We're filling the bubbles up with water. What are we gonna do with these bubbles? You gonna put the cars in there? RV2.
Yeah. Sorry.
Oh, does he not fit?
No.
I don't fit. I don't fit. Dr. Damage, he doesn't fit. Does Sarge fit? No. Sarge doesn't fit. Wonder. Oh, he fit.
Yeah.
I don't think he fits.
No?
RV? No RV. Not me. Hey, Dr. Damage, did you fit?
No.
You didn't fit either?
Huh?
Let's try one more time. Come on, let's try. Let's try to get in there. You try first. You don't fit. All right, move out of the way. Let me try. Ah, I can't fit in there.
I'm too.
You too? All right, yeah, Sarge, try it.
No, too now.
You don't fit either. Well, how are we gonna get them out of there? You wanna knock it over? Let's try to tip it over. Tip it, tip it, tip it. Oh, tip it. Oh, there it goes. Look, they're all at the bottom. They're all at the bottom. Shake it. Oh, they're coming out. One by one, they're coming out. Oh. Whoa, are you guys okay? Oh, that was so cool. Oh, with the hose. I'm getting him with the water gun. Oh, he's trying to get me with the hose. Get out of here. Ah, I'm getting him. Hey, get away from me. No, don't get me. Oh, I lost my shoe. No. Oh, thank you. He's following me. Get away from me. Stop following me. What are you doing following me? Get away. Stop following me. Oh, he's getting me. Oh, hey. What are you doing? Ow. No. Don't get me. No. You to spray me? You think it's funny to spray me? I got something else coming for you. It's a tickle